Today's lesson. Today we are going to continue with the concept of time, and we are going to learn the different times of the day and recall how do we read the time on a clock. Right, let us look at the picture over here. On this clock, we have the minute hand pointing at the 12 and the hour hand pointing at the 7. So remember, the time is now 7 o'clock. In this picture, Dana wakes up at 7 o'clock. It is 7 in the morning. In the next picture, Iyad and Aisha are having lunch at 12 o'clock. So here, the minute hand is pointing at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing at the 12. So it is 12 o'clock. Noon is always at 12 o'clock. Here we have Yusuf. Yusuf is going home at 2 o'clock. Now if we look on the clock, the minute hand, which is the long one, is pointing at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing at the 2. So we know it is 2 o'clock. And 2 o'clock is in the afternoon. That means it is after 12, which is noon, and 2 is after noon. In this picture, we have Adil. Adil goes to sleep at 8 o'clock. Now if we look at the clock, here the minute hand, which is the long hand, is pointing at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing at the 8. So we know the time is correct. It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is at night. It is 8 at night. How do we know it is at night? Because we have the stars and the moon is out and the sky is dark. Now, let us see if you remember, if you know what we do at different parts of the day. Which of these things do you do in the morning? Do you go to the park in the morning? Or do you read a book? Or do you have breakfast in the morning? If you clicked on breakfast in the morning, you are correct. You do not really read a book with the lamp on during the morning because it is light outside. And sometimes we usually go to the park in the afternoon. Let us look at this picture over here. Which of these do you do at night? Do you go in your garden and pick the flowers at night? Or do you ride your bicycle at night? Or do you make a fire at night and roast some marshmallows? Yum! If you've guessed making a campfire and roasting marshmallows, you are correct. Well done. You don't usually pick flowers at night because it is too dark. The same goes for riding a bicycle. These are things you would usually do in the day or in the morning or in the afternoon. We have come to the end of today's lesson, but don't forget to go to the OneNote page. Here, there is additional activity for you to do. You can cut and glue with your scissors. Be sure to be safe and ask your mom or dad to help you in doing so. There is also a link for you to click on to answer the questions. Assalamu alaikum. Good luck.